I'm Quinn McClinton, and you're watching Elegance on 18 Wheels Big Rig Spotlight. Hey guys, it's Quinn, Elegance on 18 Wheels Magazine. Guys, you know it's a big weekend for truck shows. Well, we're down here in the Union Grove, Wisconsin at the AMCAN show that's going to be absolutely wonderful. We've got 70 big rigs that's going to be lined up to come in, and we're back on the roster for super rig shows. So if you're in the location of Union Grove, Wisconsin, you need to come on down and check out some of the rigs that's going to be here. We got rigs like this, when Don Wood's going to be bringing his rigs in. So get an opportunity, swing on down, check us out. Union Grove, Wisconsin, AMCAN show. This is Quinn, Elegance on 18 Wheels Magazine. We'll see you down here this weekend.